my live classes. Today our amazing assignment is chapter 6 HCF and LCM. So from that we are taking Sadhana workbook, and from that workbook question number 1 and 2 you can refer Sadhana workbook page number 65. Find the common multiples of 12 and 18. So we have to find the common multiples of 12 and 18. For that we have to write it. The multiples of 12 here: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, like 108, 120. Like for 18, 36, 54 and 72, 90. Okay, so see here, 5 times means here 90, 90 plus 108, 108. Okay, 108, like so on. Just which are common here? 36 is the common. Here 36 is the common, and even 72 is the common, and even also 72 common. 108 is the common. Here 108 is common. Okay, so here we have to write the common factors of the shaded part. Here, what are that? 36, 72, 108. We will get more common factors of the numbers because multiples are uncountable. Okay, we will get more means it is infinite number of multiples of a number. Okay, now coming to next one, 45. For 45, what are the multiples of 45? 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270. Okay, now 300. Suppose we are adding here 45. So means every time we are adding means we are multiplying for 45. So what did you get here? 300. So 5, 15. 350 and 360. So on. Like here for 90, 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540, like children. So we get like. So what are the common multiples here? So here the multiples of 45 are 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 350, 360. We'll get more and more. Like for 90, 180, 270, 360, 450 and 540. Which are the common here? 90. And here 180. Like 270. 270. Here 360. So 360. So means here every multiple is here, even that 45 also multiple of that number, because 45 is a factor of 90. So what are the common multiples of 45 and 90? 90, 180, 270, 360. So these all are also common multiples of 45 and 90. Got it, children? Coming to next one. Kritika has 3 glasses. What are that? 16 ml, 20 ml, 32 ml. How much least capacity of water can she measure using them separately? So here we have to find least capacity of water glass. Can she measure separately? For that we have to find the LCM of these 3 capacities. So first class capacity is the capacity of first glass is 16 ml and the capacity of second glass is 20 ml and the capacity of third glass is 32 ml. Capacity of glass 1 is 16 ml. Capacity of glass 2 is 20 ml. Capacity of glass 3 is 32 ml. We have to find the least capacity of water can she measure. So the least capacity of water can she measure. We have to find LCM of these 3 glasses. Means capacity of the 3 glasses. So the LCM of 16, 20 and 32 we have to find. So for that I am writing the prime factors of 16. What are the prime factors of 16? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s are 16. For 20. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s 4, 4 5s are 20. For 32. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So first we have to take the common factor and here this also common and this also common. Okay, so find LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and other than common factors. What are the other than common factors here? 5 and 2. So multiply 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 5s. So 32 5 how much? See 32 into 5, 5 2s 10, 5 2s 10 and 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. So that is 160 ml glass. If she can take 160 ml glass, she can measure them separately. Got it, children? Once again practice. Thank you.